what's up you guys, Notification here. I made a video somewhere on March I think. It was called Bin Weevils in Real Life. I'm actually wondering, Bin Weevils, well, I know they're creatures, but why make a video about them in real life? Well, on our website called binweevils.com there's a game called Bin Weevils. And I got Mac. One sec, I'll just bring it. Okay, this is what the mag looks like. Comes in a packet, so actually it still got that picture of Dosh on it, but only has got the word 1 million monsters again. I've got issue 2 today. It was today I think, around Easter time. So, let me show you. This is what is a nest item you get if you've got an account. If you haven't, log in or sign up to get it. It's mulch wallpaper. Bin Weevils mulches their money. This is a Dosh statue. The Dosh statue. If you haven't seen my Bin Weevils in real life, you click on my face. So this is what I have to do. It plays some Bin Weevils called Lab. I'll put it in front of the camera. I'll put it up and I'll read it. But it says on there, I'll put on the screen. And you also get this. It's a piece of mulch. And it's got a little code where on it. Okay. Anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about zombies. I'm making a zombie movie soon. I think it's somewhere around September, I think. When it's finished, I'll put it there. So it's going to have lots of edits. Loads and loads of edits in it. Well, not many edits. It's going to have it's going to have music in the background, so that's one edit. It's going to be in black and white, so that's 2 edits. And also, what else did I have? Special effects. I'll try to get some special effects in there, and I'll have to have some people. I'll have to have lots of people to star in it. So I'm gonna ask some people to help me out. It's gonna be a big movie. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna have action. It's gonna have big stuff. Okay, so that's one thing, and 2 things. So, like this movie, it's going to be in black and white.
Well, then, highly going to manage that one.
So, that's all. Hope you see it. Bye.